Happy Cinco de Mayo, fifth graders. It is Tuesday, May 5th, and we just came off of a 4-day weekend, so hopefully you're recharged and ready to do some fun activities today. This is going to be a shorter video. I don't see this being more than a 5-minute video just to try to introduce things. We do have 2 Zoom meeting opportunities today at 10:30 and 1:30, like we have been doing pretty regularly for the last month or so. Please attend one of those. I want to see you guys. I want to have some interactions. We are going to be trying a couple of new things, so just be aware of that. We might be playing a game if I can make it work, and a couple of other opportunities that I want to kind of keep secret till we get to the Zoom meeting today. I want to see how many people I can get there. I think it's going to be fun. I think you're going to enjoy it and find it to be a fun activity. I do want to make a couple of announcements. Again, I'm hoping that you guys are watching these videos first. That's my number one thing. I make them every morning for you to kind of kick off our day and get you guys to understand what it is that I'm expecting out of you for the day. So please try to take advantage of it. I'm not doing it because I like to see myself. Today for Tuesday, obviously, a new week, which means we will be starting back over with I think Central assignment and Prodigy questions and all those kinds of things. Because it's a shorter week, guys, and you're only technically having 3 days of lessons, I would make sure that you are getting into Prodigy and maybe doing a few more questions. I will say this. Remember how I said I'm kind of lumping all of our assignments into a weekly assignment, and it's more about completing those assignments. For the most part, you guys have been doing a really good job of getting your Schoology assignments done. Where most people are losing their points right now are on our Think Central assignments because you're just not doing them or you're not logging into Prodigy at all. And maybe that's fine for you, and you're happy with the score you're getting and receiving in math or math, especially right now. But guys, those are free points, really, and it's not going to take you that much longer to go in and complete those things. We really want to get you engaged and to keep you working on stuff. And you guys have been doing a fantastic job of checking in every day and making this distance learning thing a part of your life. But we really want to make it as productive as possible, since we know that this is what we're doing for the rest of the year. We want to take advantage of that. So try to answer as many questions as you can and take advantage of the opportunity, I guess, is all I can say. I really do hope I see everybody at the Zoom meetings today. There's a few people that I haven't seen for, going on a month to those Zoom meetings. So I really want to see if I can get almost everybody there. And I think they'll be fun. I think it'll be a good time today, a little bit more structured. Most of those times have just been introducing things or me talking to you. And I think you guys are going to get a little bit more time to share today. And hopefully we'll do a fun activity and you'll find it to be fun and enjoyable. Same routine, guys. I really don't want to change too much up. We talked about this over the last couple of days with our teacher meetings that, if things are working for you, don't change from them, but they're trying to get us to tweak our expectations a little bit or how we're going to grade and all those kinds of things. So that's the only thing that might tweak a little bit as we move forward for this last month. But in terms of what you guys are being expected to do, very similar. We will have a brain game. I do expect you to do that brain game. Even though it's not being graded for points, I am doing it for completion, and I am looking at it for opportunity for you guys to get some spiral review and some extra practice on things that we did earlier in the year to keep bringing those questions back. It is just being graded whether you score, no matter what you score on it, but it is being marked as a point to put in the grade book. And then the exit tickets, obviously, you can do more than once. Please take advantage of that. If you bomb it, that means you don't understand the concept. Ask me some questions. Send me a message. Mr. Mace, I really did not do good on this. Can you help me with it? And I'll do my best to get a hold of you as quickly as I can. When I have 2 Zoom meetings going on in the course of the day, that eats up a little bit of question asking time. But if you're at the Zoom, I can help answer those questions at that point. Like I said before, Prodigy, Think Central are still going to be expectations. And then for science, we are working on the science project. We do expect you to log into the science folder every day. There will be a daily check-in every day. So please make sure you get in there and answer those 2 questions. Very straightforward and very easy. We do expect you to work on that and science about 15 to 20, 25 minutes. If you work on it a lot one day, then maybe you don't have to go to science for the rest of that day. But we do want you to still go to the folder and answer the check-in and just say, nope, I'm almost done with my project. I don't need to do any science. Just write that in the daily check-in, okay? That is still an expectation. All right, I still made it to 5 minutes on my intro video. Biggest thing, I want to make sure hopefully everybody shows up to the Zoom meetings today. All right. Hope you all had a great weekend. It was beautiful weather. Got a little bit of sunburn today, but hopefully the next time I talk to you, it'll be face-to-face in a Zoom meeting. Have a great day.